Play Store, which is the name of Google's Android App Store, where you can download millions of apps, where some are paid and most are free. But sometimes we come across some apps whom we want to try, but never know how long we will use it, or will we even use it. Is it just going to consume memory on your device? To be honest, we all have apps on our smartphones whom we never use, but don't delete either. We just think that why install it again and use data and energy. That is why Google made this new system, where you can use the app first and then decide whether to install it or not. Hey there everyone, I'm Imanshu Mehra and you are watching Techno Mania. To use the app without downloading, first you have to go to your Google Play Store and make sure to check that you have a latest version of the Play Store. To check it, just simply open the Play Store and tap on these three lines and scroll down to the setting menu. Now scroll down and then here click on this Play Store version and make sure it says that it is up to date. If not, then update it. Well, mostly Play Store auto updates itself, so that maybe not be a problem. Now go back and make sure that your Google Chrome, Google Play Services and Google App are also up to date. Now go to your Android settings from either the scroll down menu or either through the settings app. Now go to the Google tab and scroll down to the instant apps. Now open it and select an account. If you have multiple, then select a particular one, and if you have just one, then select that. Now head over to your Play Store and search for an app. Now remember, this instant app feature is still under development by Google, and only a couple of hundred of apps can be used with this method. These apps are mostly from big known brands like Vimeo, Facebook, YouTube, BuzzFeed, and some games like Clash Royale, etc. For the sake of this video, I am going to try the BuzzFeed app. Now if I click on it, it is showing me a try now option. If I click on it, then here I am redirected to a live version of the app, and now I can see some few posts from BuzzFeed. Also, you can try out games like Clash Royale from Supercell, the makers of the famous game Clash of Clans. So basically this feature will be available for every app soon, but still currently you can try out the apps which is showing the try now option. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos like this for you. Till then, see you later.